Hi, in this video, we will show you the steps to managing the pods during node failure using replication controller. We have already configured 2 nodes cluster in our environment. For more information, please check the blog link in the video description box. We have already created a test replication controller with 4 replicas in our environment. There are 4 pods available in this replication controller. To simulate the node failure, let's disable the node to network interface. Disabled the interface successfully. You can see the node status has been changed to not ready. Kubernetes will wait for a while before reschedule the pods to available nodes. If the nodes were not reachable after several minutes, the pod status will change to unknown. At this point, replication controller creates new pods in the available node. Also, unknown status pods are marked for deletion. We have enabled the network interface on node VM. Once the node 2 is back to online, you can see the node's status change to ready. Replication controller manages the pods through label selector. We can view the pod labels using Show Labels option. Let's modify a pod label and see how replication controller reacts. For more information about labels, please check our blog link in the video description box. Pod label updated successfully. You can see the old pod is no longer matched with replication controller label selector. So, Kubernetes will start creating a new pod to match with the desired state. After few seconds, the new pod is in running status, and old pod will remain as unmanaged pod. Thanks for watching this video.